welcome back. So Hourglass sent over some new brow products called the Unrestricted Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Now, I have used their arch brow pencil for years, and this is like the thicker version. Finally, they came out with a thinner version for more precise accuracy. I'm so excited. So they sent over the thicker ones. Now, let me show you this is the original arch brow pencil. On one end, it's like a chubby little spoolie. On the other end, it's like a thicker size pencil with an angle, almost like a triangular. Gives really nice preciseness to the brow, but it is a little bit bigger. So if you are looking for those feather-like strokes, now they came out with the new Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. So this is a lot smaller. It has a really, it's not a similar shape. It's like an oval shape, but a small oval shape, so you can get really nice defined brows. I love the shape of this pencil. I have a few other brow pencils that are like this, but I am excited to try the formula. I'm thinking it's very close to obviously the arch brow, just in a smaller shape for more definition. So I'm gonna do my brows today and show you. Now, they sent me 3 different colors, and then they also sent me their build. So this is their Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this is in 2 colors that they sent me, which they do have other shades, warm blonde and blonde. And then they have a set, which, oh no, and soft brunette. So I'll probably use the soft brunette in the build. And then they have this set, which is just a clear brow gel. So just use that to sort of touch up, which I typically go for filling in with a small micro pencil, and then I will set with a clear brow gel. Sometimes if I have a few sparse areas, I will fill in with some type of fiber thing. So I'm gonna try out the fiber in probably, let me look, this shade. Let's see, I'm gonna use the soft brunette shade. And then let's see what shade of pencil that I'm going to use. This is in warm blonde, blonde, and platinum blonde. So I think I'm gonna go with the blonde. I'm gonna go with the blonde. I usually go a little bit darker on my brows, so it'll be interesting to see how this works out. Okay, first I'm gonna take the spoolie on this end and just kind of comb my eyebrows up. And my eyebrows sort of grow in like a weird shape. I try to sort of fill in this arch right here, and I fill under. So let me just really quickly comb again, so to sort of get that shape that I'm going to want. And I do prefer, oh yeah, that's a good color. I do prefer more of a smaller micro pencil, just because I like to I go under first and just really get this line right here to be a little bit cleaner, and then I twist it on its side. So since this has an oval, I'm going to twist it on its side, and I just sort of fill in these front pieces by just twisting it. And then I follow the line, like I'm missing a little bit of hair right here, so I just do like short little strokes to fill in, and then I just go down and fill in the tail. So I'm usually missing some hair like right in here, and then like I said, fill in the tail. Okay, let's go in with the soft brunette in the fill. Now this is a volumizing fiber gel. It has almost like long bristles on one side and then shorter bristles on the other. I'm gonna use the shorter bristle side, and then I'm just gonna set everything with the clear. Same shape of the brush, shorter on one side and longer on the other. All right, that was a really quick brow tutorial, but I really wanted to share these products because I do love the original of the Hourglass sculpt. So like I said, super excited to have the more thin version for that precise action. If you are looking to buy any of these products, I will leave them linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, or if you were just curious how I fill in my brows. I never feel like I do my brows that there should be any type of tutorial on them, but I don't think I've done a tutorial on my brows in a really long time. Usually I will take a little bit of concealer or like a light brightening powder and kind of go up under my arch. and sort of just use that as a guide to clean up some areas. So that would be the last step if I were really doing like a full brow tutorial. But I just really wanted to see how these products work. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.